Hello viewer. Welcome to our channel. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel. Today our topic is Q1 Stability Guidelines. The Q1 Guidelines, also known as the Q1A R2 Guideline, provide recommendations for conducting stability testing of new drug substances and products. These guidelines, developed by the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, IC, outline the principles and practices for assessing the stability of pharmaceutical products. It covers aspects like testing conditions, sampling, storage conditions, and data interpretation to ensure the quality and reliability of stability data. Conducting stability testing involves subjecting drug substances or products to controlled conditions to evaluate their stability over time. Here's a basic overview of the process. Selection of batches. Choose representative batches of the drug substance or product for testing, considering different strengths, formulations, and packaging options. Storage conditions. Determine the appropriate storage conditions for testing. This can include different temperatures, e.g., room temperature, accelerated conditions, refrigeration and freezing, humidity levels, and exposure to light. Time points. Define specific time points for testing, which may range from a few weeks to several years, depending on the intended shelf life. Sampling. At each time point, take samples from the batches. The number of samples and their frequency depends on regulatory guidelines and the study design. Analytical testing. Perform various tests to evaluate the physical, chemical, and microbiological properties of the samples. This could include tests for degradation products, potency, impurities, and appearance. Data analysis. Analyze the test results to assess the stability of the drug substance or product. Compare the results to the acceptance criteria defined in regulatory guidelines. Extrapolation. Based on the data, extrapolate the stability of the drug substance or product beyond the actual testing duration. This helps determine its shelf life under real-world conditions. Documentation. Document all testing procedures, results, and conclusions in a stability report. This report is submitted to regulatory authorities as part of the drug approval process. Ongoing monitoring. After the initial stability testing, continue to monitor the product in real-time conditions throughout its shelf life to confirm the accuracy of the extrapolated data. It's important to follow established regulatory guidelines, such as Q1, to ensure that the stability testing is conducted accurately and consistently. The ultimate goal is to provide reliable data on how the product's quality, safety, and efficacy change over time, enabling manufacturers to establish appropriate storage conditions and expiration dates. If you have any doubts, please comment on below comment section and like the video.